Hi, this is Cherie with Rehashfiber. Today I'm going to teach you a crochet stitch called the petal cluster, or another name for it is the Irish wave. Alright, I'm going to show you the petal cluster, and another name for it is the Irish wave. To start, we are going to work into this single crochet right here. To start the petal, we're going to chain one. Now we yarn over and go into that single crochet. Pull through, yarn over a second time into the same single crochet, pull through. There are now 5 stitches on the hook. Pull through 4, yarn over again, pull through 2. You've made your first petal. Chain 2. We're going to do it again. Yarn over, going right back into the same space. All stitches are worked out of the same space. The single crochet, pull through, yarn over again into the space, pull through. 5 on the hook, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 2. Second petal made. Yarn over, back into the same single crochet, pull through, yarn over again, pull through, yarn over, pull through 4, yarn over, pull through 2. Now at the finish of this, we only chain 1. Now we work into the next stitch that it calls for, and there is your petal stitch. Petal 1, 2, and 3. And there you have it. That's how you do the petal cluster.